slow going. I feel like everyone wants to kind of take things a little slower when it's this hot out. It's just hard to move that fast, you know?
It really is.
It's going to be kind of oppressing today.
It is. If you have access to a pool, that sounds really good. You're going to need it the next few days. Air conditioning going to be a significant issue as well coming up the next few days. You know, I just looked at some of the latest model data, and it looks like we're going to extend the 90s now well into the weekend.
Wow.
So we're going to go at least 7 days at or above 90, between 90 and 100. So lots to talk about. Let's get right into it. Live look out there in Seaside. A quiet morning out there along the coast. Good morning, folks down there. 54 degrees. We've got some fog and low clouds along the coast. Those will clear out this afternoon, though, just like they did yesterday. And we'll have some nice weather, especially on the northern Oregon coast. That's where I expect temperatures to be up into the 70s again yesterday. Actually, we had an 80 up there in Astoria yesterday, but the central coast, a lot cooler, temperatures in the 60s down there. I'll show you that here in just a second. Ridgefield, A camera, starting out a little cooler up there, 62 degrees. We've got some drier air over us, which allowed us to cool down a little bit more in the rural areas, but don't believe me, it will warm up very quickly here this afternoon. Current conditions in downtown Portland now, 70 degrees, 73% relative humidity. Those winds are calm, and that day planner shows in the next few hours we're going to be warming up quickly, especially between about 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. That's where we're going to see our biggest jumps. Okay, current temperatures right now, 70 in Portland, 60s throughout the Columbia River Gorge, except on the east end of the gorge, which is what we expect normally at the Dalles. There's 71. There's those 50s along the coast, 60s down in the Willamette Valley. Now we're running about 2 degrees above where we were this time yesterday, 4 degrees out there along the coast. I'm just giving this a representation of about where we are compared to where we were at this time yesterday. Satellite and radar, no, there are no systems out there anytime soon. Vancouver, yesterday's highs, Vancouver 98, Portland just managed 99, thought we might make it to 100, but look at that, Salem 101, Eugene 100. That's indicative of that warmer air moving up from the south. Medford was in the mid 100s, about 105, 106 down there. So that's moving north up into the metro area today. And there's that northern Oregon coast, Cannon Beach 83, Astoria 85. It just takes one small wind switch, though, for those to go from the mid-80s back down into the 60s. Lincoln City did make it to 75, but look at that, Newport just 64. So Central Coast is the place to go. Heat wave headlines. Our heat wave does continue this week, 90 to 100 in Portland, well into this coming weekend now. And overnight temperatures are going to remain warm as well, between 65 and 70 in the metro area. And that'll just be briefly right before sunrise. Here's your day planner again, 60s in your morning hours, up into the 70s, and then we're up around 80 by 10 a.m. and headed for 90 by your lunch hour, well into the 90s and triple digits by the end of the day. Lots of weather alerts to talk about. Excessive heat warning continues for the Portland metro area down through Salem and Albany, and then south of there, just a heat advisory in the Eugene area, as well as the Cascade foothills and the Coast Range foothills, and then central and eastern Oregon, excessive heat warning over there as well that continues, and all of eastern Washington as well. That just updated a few moments ago. High-level smoke forecast. I'm also watching this. I don't expect any significant smoke today, but beginning tomorrow and into Thursday at the higher levels of the atmosphere, you might see a thin haze that may just trim down our temperatures slightly, and I do mean ever so slightly, once we get to Wednesday and Thursday. Current air quality looks good in the northern part of the valley. Just a few stations reporting moderate down in the Rogue Valley and over there in southern and central Oregon as well. 99 yesterday. I think we'll see triple digits here today. This is the last 10 days or so in Portland. Quick look at FutureCast shows all that clearing, sunshine in the valley today. Coast as well after those morning clouds burn off. Then we bring in the morning clouds again at the coast tomorrow. Just a few passing high clouds in the valley, but lots of sunshine as this big ridge expands over the entire west coast. It amplifies more on Wednesday. I think that's the peak of the ridge. But notice as we go into Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday and Sunday, it really doesn't move much at all. And that's not going to change our temperatures a whole lot. In fact, I've updated this now. We'll say hottest so far this year, 101 today, right around 100 tomorrow, 98 on Thursday with some thin smoke on Wednesday and Thursday. That may trim this down just a little bit. And the heat remains into the weekend. Now I've upped those temperatures on Saturday to 94 and Sunday to 91. Guys?